What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP DIESEL, and here we go again with another quick episode of some shop action. I've said it for a very long time, we don't just work on diesel trucks. Ever since we got our little alignment machine, we've been doing trucks across for gas, diesel, lifted, and Jeeps, SUVs, things like that. So this bad boy in here came in with a lot of slack in the steering and it wandered a lot. So let's see what we did to this bad boy here. Let's talk to our guy, Mr. Beach Mechanic here. What's up, dude? What did we do to this bad boy?
We did a front suspension, ball joints, drag link, upper and lower control arms, bushing, and JKS correction package.
I like that right there. So a lot of these Jeeps, there's from the factory control arms, there's not really a whole lot of correction that you can do on the caster unless you buy adjustable upper and lowers. But JKS offers this bracket right there that's actually really cool, and it is affordable. And what it does is it corrects the caster on this thing to give you better stability on the steering and better ride quality overall. So in conjunction with that, we did do new upper and lowers, and even the ball joints, we went with the heavy duty ball joints right there, and then the dual steering stabilizer from BDS. So this bad boy is gonna be riding like a champ, man. Everything here looks good and new. Again, thank you guys. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that you see here with us, feel free to give us a call or hit us up on social media. We're always willing to chat and discuss anything we do here. Thank you guys.
The lamb doing trick. He a rat, we ain't fucking with a snitch. He a rat. Scratch him off the list. Messing Marcello when I like a kid. You ain't rich yet till you get a ticket.
They be saying these lies on my name, but I stay low-key plain. I just make me some money and stay out the way. If it ain't about money, I don't care what you say. If you play with my money, I hit what you say. I heard this, OT, I heard that. I don't care what you heard, bitch. I heard it from a net for a hit of the blunt. I bet she throw it back. If I'm not in the studio, I'm in the trap. I heard you a rat and a pussycat, and that's like what they say in this bitch.